Hello guys, good evening. I am Adarsh. Today's my presentation topic is on the part of digestive system which is an accessory organ known as liver. So let's begin. Liver's medical name or medical term is hepato. Hepato is the medical term of liver and its study is hepatology. The one who study liver is called hepatologist. Largest internal organ of body. Our body consists of two largest things and first one is skin and second one is liver. Liver is the first internal and the bigger organ of the body. Largest gland of the body. Our body controls through the nervous system, and our body also contain endocrine system which is known as, which has glands etc. Through this, liver is the largest gland of endocrine system. Second largest organ of body. The first one is skin and the second one is liver. So its shape is like wedge-like. Its color is reddish brown, present in upper abdominal cavity and located at right side of human body. Weight is 3 pound or 1.4 kg, we say that, and length is 20 to 22 centimeter, and its width is 10 to 12 centimeter, and its thickness is 15 to 18 centimeter. 2% body weight due to liver. Our body's 2% weight is due to liver. Liver is the largest organ, so that's why. Enclosed in thin unelastic capsule called Glacian capsule. It is enclosed in a thin and unelastic capsule which is known as Glacian capsule. Enclosed incompletely by peritoneum. Peritoneum is a membrane which incompletely covers our liver. Behind diaphragm which separate the lungs and stomach or digestive system, and it is behind ribs. It is also behind ribs, made up of cell called hepatocytes. The cell through which liver made is known as hepatocytes. Now comes to the lobes of liver. There are 4 main lobes of liver. Number first, right lobe, and number second, left lobe, number third, caudate, number 4, quadrate. Right and left lobes are anteriorly and caudate and quadrate are posteriorly. Right lobe is largest lobe of liver and left lobe is smallest lobe of liver. Hepatic artery supply oxygenated blood to liver. The oxygenated blood from heart to liver supplies through hepatic artery. And number second is hepatic vein which carry deoxygenated blood from liver. The deoxygenated means the waste of cells and tissues which is carried through hepatic vein. Now comes to the ligament present in liver. This is liver. Ligaments are 2 types in liver, coronary and falciform. Coronary attach liver with diaphragm. The ligament which attach liver with diaphragm is known as coronary artery, and the ligament which separate right and left lobe is known as falciform ligament. Now comes toward the functions of liver. Metabolism of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates metabolism also occurs in liver. Number first, glucose converted or changed in glycogen. This process is known as glucogenesis. And number second is glycogen converted into glucose. This process is known as glycogenolysis. And number second one point is metabolism of protein. Amino acid converted into glucose. So this process is known as gluconeogenesis. Metabolism of lipid. Stored triglyceride. Triglyceride converted into glucose. This process is known as gluconeogenesis. Liver also do synthesis of vitamin A. Vitamin A which is necessary for our sight and eye. And synthesis of protein also occurs in liver. Plasma proteins which are fibrogen, albumin and globulin are the plasma proteins which are synthesized by the liver. Now store fat soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are fat soluble are stored by the liver, and the fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. It also differences through Kupffer's macrophage. Macrophage is made up of monocytes, we already know that, and these are the tissues. Kupffer macrophage contain kill germs, destroy worn out erythrocytes. The erythrocytes means RBCs. It destroy the worn out means the old RBCs. Inactivation hormones. It inactivates the hormones insulin, cortisol, thyroid hormones, sex hormones, and glucagon. These all inactive through liver. Thermogenesis, a process in which production of heat occurs, is do in liver. Detoxification drugs. Drugs are detoxifiers in liver. Now comes toward the bile. Produced by liver. Bile is produced by liver. Yellow-green watery solution. This is a solution which is like yellow-green, and this is slightly alkaline. Its alkalineness or its pH is 7 to 8. The amount of bile secreted in duodenum. The bile secreted into duodenum, the first part of small intestine, controlled by hormones. Some hormones that control bile is known as cholecystokinin, secretin, gastrin, somatostatin, and bivagus nerve. About 80 ml to 1000 ml produced daily by liver. Liver produce 800 to 1000 ml of bile daily. Now what liver contains? Water 95%, but bile is made up of 95% of water, and bile is also made up of salts which are sodium terephthalate and sodium glycolate. Sodium terephthalate is C26H44NNaO4S. Sodium glycolate C26H42NNaO6. Converted large fat globules into small fat globules called emulsification of fat. The emulsification of fat occurs through bile. Now come towards the bile pigment. What pigments that bile contain? Biliverdin, which is green pigment, and number second is bilirubin, which is brownish pigment. It also contains cholesterol, that is waste of bile, and give color to solid waste. The waste which is present in intestines that was colored by bile pigments. And mucus is the cell debris, the cell waste, and phospholipid, lecithin. Phospholipid has mainly 3 types, but we learned here lecithin, that prevent cholesterol clotting. The cholesterol clotting is prevented by the phospholipid lecithin. Thank you.